Step into the future of hospitality with us. In this captivating video, we embark on a journey to unveil the profound transformation artificial intelligence, AI, is catalyzing within the hotel industry. Brace yourself for a paradigm shift as we delve into the myriad ways AI models are orchestrating a revolution that redefines how hotels function. Our expedition begins with a glimpse into the realm of chatbots and virtual assistants. Meet your tireless 24/7 concierge, an AI-powered marvel always at the ready to seamlessly handle room reservations, fulfill requests, and provide valuable information. As we continue our exploration, we encounter the magic of personalized recommendations. Here, AI algorithms meticulously scrutinize guest preferences, crafting tailor-made suggestions for rooms, amenities, and services that elevate the guest experience to unparalleled heights. Transitioning onward, we uncover the art of dynamic pricing, where AI dynamically fine-tunes room rates in real time, responding to demand, seasonality, and competitive landscapes, ultimately optimizing revenue streams. Our journey proceeds to the domain of predictive maintenance, where AI's prescience foresees equipment failures, thereby drastically reducing downtime and saving on maintenance costs. Security and fraud detection take center stage, emphasizing the critical role AI plays in safeguarding guests. Witness AI's vigilant eye as it monitors security cameras, enhancing guest safety and acting as an impenetrable shield against fraudulent activities. Guest sentiment analysis emerges as our next destination on this transformative odyssey, highlighting AI's mastery in deciphering online reviews and social media sentiments to empower hotels with swift responses to guest concerns. We then immerse ourselves in the convenience of voice assistants, where guests effortlessly command room features and services using just their voice. Efficiency extends its reach into inventory management, with AI accurately forecasting the demand for perishables, a sustainable practice that significantly diminishes waste and cost. The sustainability theme continues as we explore how AI orchestrates energy conservation, optimizing lighting and HVAC systems based on occupancy, guiding hotels towards a greener future. The futuristic allure of facial recognition then graces our path, streamlining check-ins and bolstering security measures. Witness the dawning era of robotic room service, where efficient robots flawlessly deliver an array of room service items. We step into the realm of health and safety compliance, where AI emerges as a formidable ally, ensuring hotels meet and exceed safety protocols. And as we near our journey's end, we unveil the power of data analytics and business intelligence, where AI-driven insights empower data-centric decisions. In conclusion, our voyage demonstrates how AI is reshaping the hotel industry, enhancing guest experiences, and optimizing operational efficiency in ways once deemed unimaginable. Welcome to the future of hospitality, where innovation knows no bounds. Should you seek to harness the transformative power of AI for your hotel, don't hesitate to contact us.